Stephen here again from AdSafe Doors to explain to you the reason why we have so much success in repairing sliding doors is not just because we use a quality roller, but because we machine the track and we cap it in stainless steel. And I'll just show you the reasons why we cap it in stainless steel. And we've been doing this for about the last probably 12 years, and we've had to learn the hard way over the years before that. But the way we do it is this. If you can imagine, this is your track. There's two diagrams, without machining and with machining. So this is your track, and it's knocked around. I haven't drawn in all of the areas that are damaged, but it's damaged, let's say. And what we do is we machine it back to a stump. So that's it there. And then we put our stainless steel capping over that stump like so, and we fill in the area or this between the stump and the stainless steel capping with polyurethane, a rubber cement. It's the same cement that holds the windscreen of your car in. And then when that's put on, we have a roller that fits that track exactly, and you can see that there's a nice even space between the roller and the stainless steel capping, and that means that you're going to get a lot of wear out of your roller and track. The track's now stainless steel. It's much harder than aluminium, and it's fitting the roller perfectly. So that'll give you the wear, and it also means that your door will slide very easily. Now, if you don't do this capping and machining, then what you get is this. There's your track again. You then put the capping over the top of it, and some people do this, and the capping stretches because it's got to fit over the old track, and it becomes then wider than the original track, so that when the roller sits on top of the track that's just been put down, you then have the edges, these two edges here are touching the stainless steel capping, and you've got this air space in here. So what's going to happen eventually is these two edges, this edge here and this edge here, will break off, and of course that'll be the deterioration of your roller. So this is a badly fitting roller, and this is a perfect fitting roller. You can't have your roller fitting any better than that, because that's parallel with the roller up the top there. So that explains why we do the capping and why it's very important that the machining is done, and so that the capping can fit the stump of the track, and then the roller can fit the stainless steel capping.